Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with another interesting video, and today we're going to discuss about the Marshall Middletone. It's the very demandable speaker of the Marshall brand. So without wasting any time, let's discuss some specification of the speaker. It's come with the MRP of 31,999 and around 32,000 rupees. Right now there is only 1 or 2,000 discounts available on this speaker. I have pasted the link in the description, which is the best discount available right now, so you can purchase it from there. This speaker comes with the 20 hours of playtime. This is pretty much enough if you are going to buy a portable speaker. And there are some other specification of the speaker which cannot be available on the other Marshall speaker. And the first one specification is it's IP67 डस्ट एंड वाटर रेजिस्टेंस. मीन्स अगर आपके स्पीकर में थोड़ा बहुत पानी पड़ जाता है तो ईजिली आपके स्पीकर को कोई हार्म ये नहीं करेगा. एंड सेकेंड वन, इट्स कम विद अ स्टैक मोड. मीन्स यू कैन पेयर many of the Marshall speakers together on the same song. It's come with a 20 hours of play time. Means आपकी जो पार्टीज वगैरह हैं वो आपकी काफ़ी इंजॉयबल रहने वाली हैं, क्योंकि इसको एक बार चार्ज करके इसको आप काफ़ी ज़्यादा टाइम तक प्ले कर सकते हैं. एंड द अदर स्पेसिफिकेशन इज इट कैन ऑल्सो बी चार्ज फ्रॉम द पावर बैंक. Are you shocked? I was also shocked when I read this specification, and I have also tried this with the power bank and it's work very properly, because the ports available on this speaker is C-type ports, so that's why you can easily charge your speaker with the another power bank. And finally, here is the look of the Marshall Middleton, and you can see its look very premium speaker. All of the Marshall speakers are looking very premium, and you can also feel the premium vibe when you touch the speaker. The textures of the Marshall speakers are very smooth, and it's give a premium vibe when you touch and feel it. You can see the controls available on the speakers are pretty much different than the other Marshall speaker. And on the back side it's look like this, and you can see there is the USB-C port and a 3.5 mm jacks port is available on the speaker. And I also feel the textures many times, because the textures of the speakers is very smooth. And finally it's a time for play some sound on this speaker, and let's do it. walking alone.
to end. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for weakness. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the skies. We are heroes tonight. Dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and not show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight.
Oh my goodness, there was a very amazing performance by the Marshall Middleton that I did not expect from this speaker. This speaker's sound quality was pretty good. Even it looks small in size, but the specification of the speakers are very brilliant. So hope you enjoyed this video much, and make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. And in the next video I'm gonna review Marshall Kilburn 2. And thank you so much for watching.